Hey Claude, act as an art critic and analyze the Misfit Clinic. Only what is here, 2 minutes 15 silent, the track measures dead fourth in a row. A stop-motion styled world of burlap, yarn, and felt. A ragdoll reindeer, sackcloth head, X-stitched eyes, a red pom-pom nose, antlers of bare twisted wire, patched and frayed, alone in doorways and snowy streets. A blonde elf with pointed ears and a dental clinic, pliers, tooth patients with stitched faces, an X-ray monitor, a dental chair. They meet, he kneels, he offers the tool. And in 2 shots, a different reindeer, smooth, knitted, unpatched. That is the object. 3 lanes, 2 reindeer. Fact, the reel contains a frayed ragdoll reindeer and a clean knitted fawn, and both meet the elf. Interpretation, read as one character, that is a repair arc, the broken toy made whole. Evaluation, for an acceptance film, that arc argues the wrong thesis. If the misfit must be fixed before he is befriended, the film teaches conditional acceptance, the exact opposite of its point. And if it is model drift, the defect sits at the story's center either way. The craft that works, the material system holds at 4K, burlap weave, yarn wrap, felt nap, nothing breaks the handmade illusion. And one true invention, antlers of bare twisted wire where a whole reindeer grows branching bone. The misfit wears winter branches, difference rendered as visible sparseness, no dialogue needed. The defect, in one stretch this face bears a full array of teeth. On a button-eyed sackcloth head, bared teeth read as horror inside a children's film. The fix is one rule, this face keeps its stitched mouth. What it's trying to be, an acceptance story in the Rudolph tradition, and the clinic carries it well. His patients smile, his tools work, his obsession has a room where it is exactly right. That is the neurodiversity reading done with respect, special interest as mastery, not symptom. And the kneeling shot, the elf lowering himself to the ragdoll's eye level, instrument offered, is the film's thesis in a single composition, the best frame in the reel. The maker names the lineage, Rudolph Hermie, the island of misfit toys. The design keeps smart distance, the elf reads as Hermie instantly without copying him, and this reindeer is not Rudolph's design but a misfit toy reading of him. But the lineage has one law this reel hasn't honored yet, Hermie is never fixed. In 1964, the resolution is that the world adjusts, Santa comes for the misfit toys, the elf opens his practice. The knitted fawn shots break faith with exactly that precedent. Labeled separately, taste, the gloom, grime, dark alleys is further toward Burton than I'd take a preschool film. I'd aim this at 6 to 9 or warm it. Quality, the gloom is consistently executed in doing real work, the clinic's warmth and the lit windows only land because the streets are cold. Whether the target age can hold this palette is the maker's audience call. I flag it as a question, not a defect. Disclosure before the verdict counts, an AI critiquing AI-generated work for program the maker runs. I didn't generate the piece and hold no stake in approving it. Describe first, tag every lane, and the maker holds the gate. 2 shortcuts refused. The claim and acceptance film inspired by Rudolph sets the bar and proves nothing. Checked against the object, the Hermie half is on screen and the acceptance half is currently contradicted by the second reindeer. The feeling this reel produces an ache, a protective tenderness, counts only because its mechanism is visible. An undersized figure, oversized empty doorways, warm light always one wall away, wire antlers against snow. Built. Not asserted, worth protecting from the one grin that trades the ache for a flinch. This verdict is about this silent cut today, both reindeer, the grin, all of it. One reindeer, a stitched mouth, a scored scene. Any of those changes gets a fresh critique from the description up. Nothing carries forward. The verdict, this is the strongest concept to craft alignment of the batch. Committed materials, an antler invention that says the theme without words, a clinic that argues mastery, and the kneeling shot that is the thesis itself. 4 blocks, 1, resolve the 2 reindeer, and acceptance film gets exactly 1 and he stays patched. If something transform the world, the sled stops for him. Never the misfit. 2, the mouth rule, stitched every frame. 3, lock the elf's face across setups. 4, this story's engine is a song that doesn't exist in the cut. Fix the export path that is shipped 4 dead tracks, then score the doorway scene first. That's where the verse lives. The critic audits itself, effort halo, the fiber density earned credit only where the material does narrative work. Prompt anchoring, the Rudolph claim was checked, the object honors Hermie and betrays the island, and the critique says so. Hedge stacking, the 2 reindeer problem is called as the wrong thesis, not a tension some viewers might feel. 4 pieces, 4 different verdicts, the rubric still discriminates. The recap, the world right, the theme on screen. The rule, the misfit is never the thing that gets fixed. Your turn, take this prompt and build your own acceptance story, where the character's difference is never repaired, and the world is what changes. The Misfit Clinic, a fair but honest critique.